Door refinishing can last years or fail fast. The difference comes down to how it's done. Hi, we're Door Renew. One of the most common questions we hear is, how long will refinishing actually last? Today, we're breaking down the honest answer. No hype, no shortcuts. Door refinishing typically lasts 5-10 plus years, but its true lifespan depends on several key factors. Sun exposure. South and west facing doors fade faster, the quality of the finish system used, the door's material, local climate, and basic maintenance. Professional refinishing that fully removes failed coatings and applies multi-layer, flexible, UV-resistant finishes can dramatically outlast DIY methods, paint-over jobs, or single-coat systems, which often fail within 1-2 years. Wood, fiberglass, and steel doors can all be successfully refinished when properly prepped, and in many cases, a professionally refinished door lasts as long as, or longer than, a factory finish on a new. With minimal upkeep, most homeowners can expect 5.8 years of durability on average, up to 10 plus years in ideal conditions, and even in full sun exposure. Refinishing still outperforms repeated painting and costs far less than full door replacement. So door refinishing isn't a temporary fix, it's a long-term solution when done correctly. If you want a refinishing job that's built to last, Door Renew can restore and protect your door. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.